Hello and welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you how to create custom events with my admin panel, this one. So right now we're in the test place. I'm gonna show you how to create admin events like these. As an example, we have Blossom, changes the skybox. Then we have like Pumpkin, that creates a model that is right there, and also changes the skybox. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create everything in once. So we will be making a radioactive event. First of all, and all. And before we start, I want to say thank you to everyone who donates me. It keeps me, it supports the admin panel. Big shout out to you guys. And so now go to my Discord for the model. Okay, when you're in the Discord server, you need to go to admin panel. Then you need to unlock it. You will get a role and will gain access to all these channels. You have to go to this and click model and just get the model. Sometimes when I update it, then it's not working because Roblox needs to approve it. So I'm just sharing the Roblox model file. Or you just wait a bit and you have it instantly in Roblox Studio. Okay, this is for the newer version. We are now in Roblox Studio. I already gained the assets for the event that we're doing right now. So in my case, I will be doing a radioactive sound. Let me just rename this to radioactive sound. Never mind, music. Yeah, I gained these like pretty quick. This is from the toolbox. They're safe. You can get this asset pack from my Discord server in the storage. This is the image ID. So first of all, I'm not showing you how to set the admin panel up. When your admin panel is working, you have to open the event module that is in replicated storage, and you have to create a new event config. You can just copy this and paste it in here like this. This is the event ID. Basically, when a remote event gives the event ID, then it collects this information. So we are doing radio active, and I like to have the same label name as here. Then we have the image ID. I have this image ID from right here. We don't need this anymore because we just paste it in here. And that's it. That's the setup. You can change the duration of the event, like the default duration. I leave it at 60 because I like it being 1 minute. So now we can close this again, and we can like do these things, move them around. We can do some more, like we can just, yeah, let's just make a barrel right here, and this a bit bigger, and then we have like a huge, nice event. Now the important part is, like these on the map you place, you have to group them again in the model, and rename them to radioactive model as an example. Just you can find them, and make sure it's one model where everything that you want to be placed is in. So this is it, and you have to go into let me watch real quick. Where is it? Server storage. Yeah, this one you drag into server storage, event assets, and I found the skybox too. It looks like this. I kind of liked it, and it matches the theme of the event. So we're dragging it right into event assets as well. And I also have my good music that should be played when the event is playing. So for that, we are opening sound service and drag it into event music. Okay, after everything is in the folders, you can just close them. And now we open AdminPanel scripts and search for event handler. That is right here. Recently, I updated the event handler, so if you don't have this version of it, then I want you to go to my Discord, go into storage, open this pastebin link, copy this, everything, um, Control A and Control V. Just copy paste it. If you have the old version of the admin panel, then it also works. You don't have to add anything or so. It's just like how these models work. And now you have to go up. You see this section assets, and in here you have to create like a path for all your assets. So we have as an example radioactive model. That is the barrels that was there. So we have the path server storage, because we put it in the server storage in the event assets folder. And we are looking for the radioactive model. So, and we also added a skybox that is also in the folder. So we just go with the same path, radioactive skybox equals server storage event assets. And now we wait for we need to find the path for the skybox. This right there. That's it. We have both the models in here. And for the last, we have the music. So we do radioactive music. This equals to not server storage, it's sound service now. So we go to sound service dot event music and wait for the radioactive music. So after that, the script knows what should be placed. So, but to make them work, we need to scroll down until you see like this, where these events are. For that, to make it easy as coding, you just copy the latest one. Oh, yeah. Remove the end and paste it like here. And you have the event ID. So make sure this one is the one that you use here as the ID. So I'm gonna just copy paste it. And this is it. This is it. Okay. And now there's like some paths. So the models get cloned. In my example, I have the skybox prepared from this one. So we can just do the radioactive skybox instantly. This one below here makes the skybox go into lightning, and this just makes a table. So after the event ends, it gets deleted. For a new one, because we have like 3 things that we want to be done, we just copy this and make it a radioactive model. But for now, because this isn't needed to be in the lightning, so we just change this to workspace. And this works too. And now we have the music. We just make music equals radioactive music and music play. So this plays the music and everything is done. You can just change this radioactive. So this is the event setup. That's everything you need to do. And now we have to go to Starter GUI to make the buttons. Make this admin panel visible. Go into frames, open this, and search for events. Should be this one. Then you see a bunch of events. You just open this, open the scrolling frame, and copy the latest one with Control and D. Rename it. Very important. Rename this, the frame, to your ID. So I'm just doing this real quick. And now you can change the text labels. As an example, I'm calling this radioactive. And the image label, we just grab this one from here. So I'm just adding this right there. We can see it works. You can close it. Never mind. Make sure to hide the frame again. So make the visibility. Oh no, don't hide frames. Hide events. Yeah, hide events. Frames need to be visible. And now you can hide the whole admin panel frame again. And we can test play it. So we are loaded in right now. And we see our radioactive event. And when we press start, everything works. Like the music is playing, the skybox changes, and these little barrels also appears. and it disappears. So what you can do, you can make a bunch of events. Some people asked me to make a treadmill event, so you can just do this, the process that I show you, but like with a treadmill, and then you have an admin treadmill that places when the event is playing. And yeah, that could help you. I hope you liked the video. You can get the model in my Discord server, the first link in the description. Feel free to ask if you need help, and like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.